Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we have our unboxing and try on haul from the trip. So I will show you guys uh, some of I bought last yesterday. So I was found this um charan. So this is a nightwear. Look, so nice, very nice. And the tone, look at the I really like the I really like this in front because a rose flower, so I really like. And the color, I like the color red. And the this is a elastic and very comfortable, guys. um what we call with this, lace. This is a lace nightwear. So yeah, it's so nice. And the next is Shein, uh tong, of course. Tara, that's so nice. I have a lace tong, guys. Wow, it's nice, very nice. A white color. The size is medium. So look at that. So it's so nice and elastic. Look, and garterized anyway. And look, the side here is lace white. So it's so nice. So let's go with try on haul. So now, guys, let's try on haul. Hold on. Wow, I love it, guys. First, I wear a thong, and the next is so nice. Wow, I like this. I like this one. I like this one. That's so nice. How to wear this one? OMG. Just wait, guys. So, like this. And like this. Ta-da. So it's so nice. Yeah, look, very nice. And there's a tie here. So we make it a raven. So look, it's very nice. Look at the back. So nice, very nice. And the tongue here, yeah, so nice. Thank you for watching.